Welcome to Bplanmaker.com. If you're thinking about jumping into the heating and cooling business, it's booming. It continually grows year after year, but you're going to need funding, and that's where we can help with an SBA style business plan that's complete, easy to edit. Let's take a look at ours. We have the executive summary, then we jump into the products and services. Okay, and then you go to your market analysis with your primary market, target market, even your competition, facility and operations with your capital equipment list, your sales strategy, your management summary, and then finally a 3 year financial projection with profit and loss, cash flow, balance sheet, key business ratios, everything lenders are looking for in one complete package for 50 bucks. No ongoing fees, no other subscriptions, $50. You get the complete, easy to edit business plan instantly downloadable and delivered to you from bplanmaker.com.